Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates, and today I'd like to talk to you about fathers' rights relating to child support. You know, we get a lot of calls from fathers who say, I'm getting hammered, I'm being sued for child support, it's too much, so what can I do about this? Well, you've got to understand that if the mother has the custody, there's only one scenario where you won't be paying child support. That scenario is where you both have the same amount of overnights with the child and you both have the same exact income. You make the same amount of money. If either one of those is not exactly the same, there's going to be support going one way or another. In a scenario where the parties are unmarried, the mother has the custody, the father has parenting time, but he's wondering about the support, you've got to realize that the state of Michigan has child support guidelines. They're taking into account how many children there are. They're taking into account how many overnights the child spends with you and how many overnights with mom. They're taking into account what your income is and what the mom's income is. That's the formula. So basically, if you want to make sure that you're getting a fair shake on the formula, you need to do a couple things. Number one, you need to make sure that the amount of money that's being attributed to you as income is correct. If it's $20,000 high, those numbers are going to be off. Number two, you've got to make sure that the mom's income is correct. If she says, I make no money, but she's actually got a job, or she's understating her income, the numbers are going to be off as well. So you got to make sure you got fair numbers for you, a fair number for her, and most importantly, you've got to deal with the overnights. If you're getting 0 overnights and mom is getting 365 in a year, your number is going to be as high as it can be. On the flip side, if you're getting a fair share of overnights, if it's 182.5 to 182.5, or even if it's not like that, even if you're getting 80 and she's getting 265, you're going to get a much better, more reasonable number. And the more overnights you have, the more reasonable the number becomes. So obviously it's a sliding scale. There are factors involved. If you have any questions about that, reach out to us, and of course we'll be glad to help you out. If you have found this helpful and informational, please like and share.